No, it was the joint inspection was conducted on the recommendation of the Division 22. So we conducted the inspection and we will submit the report to director.
कौन attended madam inspection departments?
Division 21, Division 22, PWD, Division 8, and Fire, Police, Disaster Management Cell, and DHS.
All floor, I said to me, floor.
Dialysis unit will check.
Sorry?
Also the dialysis unit, inspect.
Yeah, we inspected the dialysis unit and we inspected the RO plant and the lift area from where he has tapped the electricity.
Report bhi ki jaye tumka.
We will prepare the report and send it to the DA. He was not there on the site. We went to the unit when the dialysis was going on and the doctor was not there. Ideally, when dialysis is going on, the doctor has to be there, right? So we chose a time when the dialysis is open. Dialysis was going on in the
Doctor is not.
Doctor was